Mental health is surrounded by myths, and it's time we clear them up. Let's talk about 5 of the most common misconceptions that many people still believe. Myth number 1. Mental health problems are rare. The truth? They're not. 1 in 4 people experience a mental health issue in their lifetime. Anxiety, depression, burnout, they're far more common than you think. Myth number 2. Only weak people struggle with mental health. This couldn't be further from the truth. Mental health challenges can affect anyone, no matter how strong, successful, or confident they seem. It takes strength to ask for help, not weakness. Myth number 3. Therapy is only for serious problems. In reality, therapy is for everyone. You don't need to hit rock bottom to talk to a therapist. Sometimes it's just about having a safe space to talk and gain clarity. Myth number 4. Mental health issues are permanent. Many people recover with the right support. Yes, some conditions can be long-term, but with treatment, coping strategies, and care, people can live happy, fulfilling lives. And myth number 5. You can just snap out of it. Mental health is not a choice. It's not about being lazy or overreacting. You can't simply cheer up or get over it. Healing takes time, effort, and understanding. Let's start replacing judgment with compassion and myths with knowledge. Because when we know better, we do better for ourselves and for others. If this helps shift your perspective even a little, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mind Flare for more mental health content that matters.